Today we are going to study about language processors. Now this computer understands only machine language. This is why we need language processors. So any program, if we write down any computer program, so that will be done by any language, computer language. So computer will not be able to understand that language. It understands only the language of zeros and ones. That is why it needs to be converted into machine language, and this conversion is done by language processors, and they are also called as language translators. So there are three types of translators which we will study now. One is assembler, interpreter, and then compiler. First one is assembler. Here in this diagram you can see that this is a source code. Now what is source code? Source code is the program which is written by any programmer, and this is the object code, means this is the converted code which will be read by computer. So this is in machine language. Now here, depending upon which language is used or which type of language is used, we will need that type of language translator. Like suppose here the program is written in assembly language. Here you can see this source code, this is written in assembly language. So to convert the assembly language into object code, we need assembler. Now some features of assembly language: converts assembly language program into machine language. So this assembler, this will convert assembly language program into machine language. Program written in assembly language is called source code or source program. Like here this is called as source code, and the one which is converted into machine language, that is called as object code. So this two features, means this one and this one, this is applicable to compiler and interpreter also. So whatever program we write down, the programmers write down, they are called as source code, and the program which is converted into machine readable form, that is called as object code, and this conversion is done by language processors. So next we will study about, that is interpreter. Here also you can see that the picture is same. This is the source code and this is object code. What is the difference? Here difference is that here the source code means the program is written in high level language. So this high level language can be converted into object code or machine readable form either by interpreter or by compiler, but we have to study both, and there are some differences between them which you have to study. So here are some features of interpreter. What are they? This converts high level language program into machine language. So this is also doing the same thing. This is converting this source code into object code. But one very important point about interpreter is that interpreter translates source code into object code line by line. Here you can see that this is the source code, and suppose this is having 4 lines as I have shown in this picture. So all these 4 lines, this will be converted into object code one by one, means first line 1 will be converted, then line 2, and so on. Now errors, if any, are removed immediately. Error means if there is any mistake in writing the codes, we have to follow some rules while writing down any computer program, and if we violate that rule and if we write down anything wrong, then your this interpreter will generate some errors. So these errors, as they are generated in each line, so they need to be removed immediately. Now one more feature of interpreter is that execution speed is slow. Interpreter is slow as compared to compiler, which we will study the next. And one example of interpreter is BASIC. This BASIC language uses interpreter. Now we will study about compiler. Here also the source code is written in high level language, program written in high level language. This needs to be converted into machine readable form by the help of compiler. So but there are some differences between compiler and interpreter. What are they? This compiler converts high level language program into machine language. This is the same. The major difference is here, compiler converts whole program at once. As we compare this with interpreter, interpreter converts line by line, but this compiler will convert into machine code all at once, means all these 4 lines will be converted together. Now if any error is there, if any errors are there, then that will be removed after entire program is compiled. So this entire program, it will be compiled first, and then errors will be generated. If errors are there in the program, if any error is there, then that must be removed by the programmer, then only it will be converted into object code. Now the speed of compiler is faster as compared to interpreters. So this compiler, they will generate the output in very less amount of time. And some examples where compiler is used is C, C++, though Java you will study later on that this uses both compiler and interpreter. So these are some of the features of language processor. We studied about assembler, interpreter and compiler, and some differences between interpreter and compiler.